Hey team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we will be looking at the most important current affairs of May 26, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which startup has developed the world's first private digital code for dispute resolutions? So the answer is option D, Jupities. Jupity's Justice Technology has developed the world's first private digital court under the private justice system. Moving on to the next question. Second question is, which country has topped the 57th EY Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index? So the answer is option D, USA. So United States retained its top position on the RECAI 57, followed by the China at the second position. So RECAI is also known as Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index. Moving on to the next question. Third question is, what is the rank of India in the 57th EY Renewable Country Attractiveness Index for 2020? So the answer is option D, third. India's renewable energy sector has been placed at the third position in the 57th EY Energy Renewable Country Attractiveness Index released by the consultancy firm Ernst & Young. Moving on to the next question. Fourth question is, which day of the year is marked National Anti-Terrorism Day in India? So the answer is option B, May 21st. In India, the National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on May 21st to commemorate the death anniversary of former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. Moving on to the next question. Fifth question is, what is the base year fixed for calculating the wholesale price index in India? So the answer is option A, 2011 to 12. So the base year fixed for calculating the wholesale price index, which is also known as WPI in India, is 2011 to 12. Moving on to the next question. Sixth question is, which company has announced to buy SoftBank backed SP Energy in a $3.5 billion deal? So the answer is option C, Adani Green Energy. So Adani Green Energy has announced to buy SoftBank backed SP Energy in a $3.5 billion deal. Moving on to the next question. Seventh question is, what is the rank of the Indian insurance technology market in the Asia Pacific region in terms of total investment attracted as per S&P Global Market Intelligence data? So the answer is option C, second. As per a new report by S&P Global Market Intelligence, the India is the second largest insurance technology market in Asia Pacific region. Moving on to the next question. Eighth question is, which bank has launched the digital LPS for MSME and agri products? So the answer is option D, IDBI Bank. Industrial Development Bank of India has announced the launch of its fully digitalized loan processing system, offering over 50 products to MSME and agriculture sector. Moving on to the next question. Ninth question is, who has won the prestigious World Choreographer Award 2020? So the answer is option D, Suresh Mukund. Emmy Award nominated Indian choreographer Suresh Mukund has won the 10th Annual World Choreographer Award 2020, becoming the first Indian to win the prestigious honor. Moving on to the next question. 10th question is, when is the United Nations recognized International Tea Day observed? So the answer is option A, May 21st. So on May 21st, the International Tea Day is observed. It is being observed by the UN Food and Agriculture Organization. Moving on to the next question. 11th question is, which state has approved the formation of legislative councils? The answer is option B, West Bengal. West Bengal cabinet chaired by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has approved the formation of legislative council. Moving on to the next question. 12th question is, which state has become the second after Haryana to declare mucormycosis as a notified disease? So the answer is option A, Rajasthan. Rajasthan government has declared mucormycosis or the black fungal disease as an epidemic after Haryana. Moving on to the next question. 13th question is, when is the World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development celebrated? So the answer is option D, May 21st. So on May 21st, we celebrate the World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Moving on to the next question. 14th question is, when is World Meteorology Day observed? So the answer is option A, 20th of May. So the World Meteorology Day is observed on 20th of May to celebrate the International System of Units. Moving on to the next question. 15th question is, the newly launched oxygen recycling system has been developed by which organization? So the answer is option B, Indian Navy. Indian Navy has designed an oxygen recycling system, it is also known as ORS, to mitigate the existing oxygen shortages. Moving on to the next question. 16th question is, who has won the 2020 Millennium Technology Prize? So the answer is option A, Shankar Balasubramanian and David Klernerman has won the 2020 Millennium Technology Prize. So British Indian chemist Shankar Balasubramanian along with his colleague David Klernerman from the Cambridge University has been declared the winners of the 2020 Millennium Technology Prize. Moving on to the next question. 17th question is, as per the S&P Global Market Intelligence, which country has emerged as the largest insurance technology market in Asia Pacific region? So the answer is option C, China. China has the largest insurance technology market, accounting for around 43% of the total investment. So China is the largest insurance technology market in Asia Pacific region. Moving on to the next question. 18th question is, what is the theme of the World Meteorology Day 2021? So the answer is option D, measurement for health. So this is the theme of the World Meteorology Day 2021. Moving on to the next question. 19th question is, which company has decided to launch its new news showcase feature in India and is partnering with 13 news organizations? The answer is option B, Google. So Google has decided to launch its news showcase feature in India and is partnering with 13 news organizations. Moving on to the next question. 20th question is, which of the following country recently launched a Long March 4B rocket carrying the Haiyang 2D satellites? The answer is option C, China. Satellite has been launched by a Long March 4B rocket carrying the Haiyang 2D satellite from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in the northwest China. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And also consider giving this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.